guys, welcome back to the channel. You got your girl. You got your girl Purple. And baby O is just over there. Y'all will probably hear him in the background, y'all. I'm looking at myself on the view, y'all. I look like I'm just like totally swollen, bloated and big and extra busty today for some reason, but they just weighed me when I took Orlando to the doctor. I'm 169 pounds, so I'm still holding in there, y'all. So yeah, y'all, your girl been shopping. Your girl been shopping. Your girl been shopping. Whew. By my front door, y'all. What, Boots? Y'all hear my baby? Y'all hear my baby? Y'all, I got about 5 orders sitting by my front door. Plus I'm expecting 3 more orders. So if y'all want to see what's in this little package here, y'all, I think this is what I think it is. So I have 2 orders from them, Temu, and I'm thinking this is the order that I want to share. So stay tuned, y'all. And Ruralies, we have the baby Orlando. Y'all, in between that time, guess who just knocked on my door? It was UPS bringing another package, y'all. Another package. So now I'm only waiting for 2 things. But it's gonna be like that for a while, y'all, because I have a growing baby that's going to the next size. So I have to continually buy him clothes and shoes. I don't know what's up with him. He just got through eating, y'all, some mashed potatoes, brown rice with gravy, and meatloaf. Orlando! Really, Boots? Really? What's wrong? What's wrong, Aura? Rollies. Let me handle this little thing here. Well, maybe he just wanted me to let him loose. I don't know, y'all. So some of my videos are going to be like this because I do have an 18-month-old. He just turned 18 months, y'all. My baby just turned 18 months. Yay! And I definitely have to give you guys a deadbeat daddy update. So if you're looking for that, it'll be coming up in one of the next coming videos. He just wants to be back there and just mess with stuff that he's normally not privy to doing. I love you too. Y'all hear him saying love you? So this came from Temu, y'all. I'm thinking this is the order that I wanted to share because I do have 2 Temu orders. And I'm not sure which one is which, so. Oh, okay. I'm not sure what came in which order, y'all. But I have been buying Orlando new stuff, the next size, because he's going into 18 to 24 months. So he's wearing like the 24 month. The outfit that he has on right now is a 12-month outfit. So, what, baby kicks? He's so silly. These are the shorts, and this is an 18 to 24 month. Those are the shorts, and this is a little shirt that goes with it. And this was really cheap. I don't think it was over $5. I don't mind buying him little cheap things like this. From Temu because he's a baby and he's only going to wear it for a couple months. And I have so much stuff that he can't wear now, y'all. I probably got 3 black trash garbage bags full of clothes. OMG. I'm thinking I'm going to have a garage sale and try to get rid of some of it. And then what I don't get rid of, I'm just gonna try to find a shelter or something, or somewhere that takes baby clothes. I don't know where. Oh y'all, this is really what I want to get, y'all. What are you doing? Y'all see this? Let me open it, y'all. This is what I like, or what I wanted to show you guys, and I wanted to see it myself too. This right here is to aid. Orlando, stop pulling my, stop pulling my hair, boy. Stop it. And you pulled a piece of it. You stop that. Y'all, and I'm keeping my videos real and raw like I normally do. I'm not cutting any of this stuff out.
Cow.
A cow says moo moo moo. Y'all hear? So Orlando thinks there's just dogs, which are cats, which are dogs. And then anything bigger than a dog or a cat is a cow. And that goes for horses or anything else. Those are all cows. So that's where he is right now. Boy. Okay, Rollies, let me just put Orlando in his play area so that I can show you guys what I want to show you out of this upload. Okay, Rollies. Okay, Rollies, I'm back. This is really what I was looking forward to out of this order, y'all. Can y'all see this? Has anybody ever used this for their toddler? It's supposed to aid with brushing the teeth. Yes, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a rubbery thing, and you're supposed to put the toothpaste in there and then put it in their mouth and just kind of do like that. So I thought this would help me with Orlando with brushing his teeth, since he's so in love with brushing his teeth and he wants to do it himself. His dentist gave me this little toothbrush with a little hole in it for me to put my finger in it and to brush his teeth, and it gives me a little bit more control than a regular standard toothbrush. But when I saw this on Temu, this is like $2 and some change, I said, hey, let me try this out and see if it works. I will let you guys know if you want, if it actually works, or maybe I'll grab the baby at the end of this video after I wash it, of course, and see how it goes. So yeah, this is like the one thing I was really interested in seeing. Oh, this right here is something I ordered to go into my mom's birthday gift. So I'm not going to show that on there yet. Oh, and then I also ordered these two, guys. These are little toothbrushes. These are the finger toothbrushes. Let me open them up so y'all can see them. These are the ones that you just put your finger in, because I was wondering if this would work with my nails, but yeah, I can. You just put the toothpaste on there and kind of, you know, scrub in their mouth with that, and then on the back you can like scrub their tongue. So I was going to try this one out as well, for him, to help him like really clean those little baby teeth of his. Well, they're not baby teeth, but they're baby teeth, but they're big. They're big. Have you guys noticed that like the little kids these days, I mean, not like when I was coming up, when they lose their teeth and they get another tooth, that tooth is so huge, and then they walk around with these humongous teeth. Yeah. And then I think this order may be all about Orlando, y'all, because look, this is a little ABC flip book that I got for him, because we've been, oh, I thought it was put together. It's not put together. It has the ring there, y'all, that you put the ring through it and you just kind of flip through it. I thought it was, and he's messing with the package boxes over there. I thought it was put together, but as you can see, it's like a for umbrella. I don't know what that's supposed to be. That's an L, but what the heck is that? I don't even know what that is. A lion? I mean, it's not a lion. Like, what is that? Comment below, Rollies, and let me know what that's supposed to be. I can't tell my baby that's L for what. I don't know what that is. I don't know what it is. H for house. And I thought this would be fun for Orlando because he's picking up so much, y'all. He is picking up so much. And the other day, guess what he said? He said, Mommy, I pee-pee. I pee-pee, Mommy. And he did. He even told my mom yesterday that he pee-pee. And by the time my mom got to him, of course, he had already peed. But he's getting ready for potty training, and I'm excited. I'm excited for that. So y'all, I get to buy him little baby underwear, little boy drawers. OMG, I bought him the first pair or pack of drawers, y'all, and they're baby sharks. Oh, I don't know, to be excited, I am kind of, but then I think about dirty little boy drawers, like, and they don't like to wipe their butt. Y'all know how that is. And the last item in this order, y'all, is a pair of sandals for Orlando that I ordered. These sandals were like $6. The reason why I ordered this order is really for the teeth brushing items. Plus I had a credit. I had a credit with them because they sent me some crappy stuff and I complained. These look like girl sandals. I don't know about these. They're supposed to be little boy sandals. What y'all think? They look kind of like girl sandals. Comment below, Rollies, and let me know if those look like boy sandals to y'all. Like, I don't know if I want to put Orlando in those. People already are mistaking him for a little girl. The last thing I want to do is have him with some girl looking shoes on. As y'all see that I don't dress him like a girl, but I don't see how the heck people mistake him. Even though he has plaits in his hair, I mean, he doesn't look like a girl. And if he was a girl and I put plaits in it, he would have barrettes or ribbons or something else in his hair. So, yeah, Rollies, I wanted to just share some of my orders with you guys. And I'm probably going to do another unboxing with one of the other orders that I got. Y'all comment below and let me know what y'all want to see. Do you want to see Orlando's new wardrobe that I'm putting together, y'all? Or do you want to see his mommy's new wardrobe that I'm putting together? Because I did order some stuff for myself. I'm trying to put this thing through here, y'all. It ain't easy. And these shoes, they feel like rubber. Like, they're stretchy like rubber. Yeah. Y'all hear the baby? So y'all just go ahead and comment below. Leave a thumbs up. You can leave a thumbs down. Whatever makes you feel good. And let me know what y'all would like to see. Or would y'all like to see all them? No, I'm not going to do that. I'm not even going to say that. All of the orders. No, that's too much. But if you'd like to see Orlando's new wardrobe that I'm getting together. Or if you'd like to see my new wardrobe, which I'm getting together because I can't find nothing to wear in my closet because everything is too big. Okay, so I got it to go through there, but y'all see that? Tell me if that looked like a little boy sandal. I don't even know if he could fit these. These look a little big. I ordered a 4.5. He just got into a size 4, like just starting to wear a size 4 now. So I ordered these in a 4.5. And they're very rubbery, like the whole thing is like rubber, like this part, everything. So, later, Rollies!